Question number 5. The atomic model of a certain element is shown below. Which statement correctly identifies the element and describes its reactivity? So we need to identify the element and describe reactivity. So reactivity has to do with valence electrons. And those are those numbers in front of the A, right, on the periodic table, in the columns, in the groups, and describe the element. Well, let's start with the element first. So how are we going to identify this element? Well, we can't count protons because obviously there's a big clump here. But we do know the atomic number is equal to the protons, which are equal to the electrons. And we can count electrons. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, our electrons are 10. So our protons must be 10. And the atomic number must be 10 as well. Right? Number. Alright. So what is the element? Let's look at the periodic table. And we see, okay, the element is neon. It has an atomic number of 10. There you go, so it's neon. We also know there's something very interesting about this column, or group 18. It has 8A, or 8 valence electrons. And remember, 8 is great. So all elements want 8 valence electrons, and this group has it. These are our noble gases. And they are inert, meaning they do not react. Because they are stable elements. They're not going to combine to form a new substance. So that's that whole group. So we're looking at neon here. Okay, so we know it's neon, and it's non-reactive because it's a noble gas. Alright, the element is neon and highly reactive, not a shot. The element is calcium, not a shot. The element is neon and it's not reactive, or not very, it's not at all. That's the best answer because that's the one that deals with calcium again. So your answer choice should be C.